Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Renault on Dacia has revealed their new Duster. A key model that is now electrified and better than ever. Outside a rugged look with a sculpted body and a lot of recycled materials, even some exterior cladding is 20% recycled polypropylene. The new Duster rides on a CMF-B platform and can support mild hybrid, and a B-fuel option. The top spec is a hybrid 140, which makes 138 horsepower from a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors. The Thai 130 uses a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbo and a 48-volt mild hybrid system with 128 horsepower paired to a 6-speed manual and front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Then comes the D100B fuel, which uses a 1.0-liter turbo capable of running on a gas or LPG with up to 808 miles of range when both tanks are full at the same time, liquid petroleum gas. Inside is a utilitarian space with a new digital cockpit and a 10.1-inch infotainment screen. There are some fun accessories too, like the Dacia U-clip system with a 5-pound mount through the interior. The tiny SUV will be manufactured at the Pitești plant in Romania, where currently around 1,000 units are made each day.